Hi, I'm George Ngigi, the service manager here at Nimax Kenya. And if you are running a production line and you're getting a lot of headaches, downtime, errors, this video is for you. I want to take you through our most popular CIJs, the Ax150 and Ax350. And at the end of the video, you can decide which one is the best for your production line. This is the Ax150, basic entry CIJ. If you are starting a simple line, a line which has no major complications, this is the machine for you. But it's not that basic. It's very advanced in terms of the printhead. It runs on the iPulse printhead, which is the same printhead across all the AX series we have. The Ax150 uses a 7-inch interface, which uses the quick step software, which is very easy to operate. It has a one button on and off, so it takes very little time to start up and shut down. This is the ink system, where you have the makeup, and you usually have the ITM and the makeup cartridge and the ink cartridge, which are very easy to change. No tools, just a 20-second changeover. It doesn't stop the production when you're changing it. It uses the same ink system across all our AX printers. This for the operator is a very simple machine to use. It doesn't compromise on the quality. So for any entry-level SME or any customer who is starting up on the production, this is a machine for you. So here we have the Ax350. It's an advanced version of the 150. Stainless steel cabinet for the harsh environment, wet environment. It has higher speeds. They can do more interface with other machines, and the printhead is adjustable for nozzle sizes. And for the inks, you can use different ink types. Special inks, pigmented inks, colored inks, you can use on the Ax350. The ink system is like for all the AX series. We have the 825 ml ink cartridge. We have the 1.25 liters makeup cartridge. And the changeover is basically a 20-second with no tools changeover. So like all the AX printers, the Ax350 also runs on the iPulse printhead. And for the Ax350, you can adjust the nozzle sizes and the type of inks which are used. And it gives very high quality print and clarity. The Ax350 has a 10-inch touchscreen with an option of 7-inch, which runs on the quick step software, which is very easy to use for the operators. It's a very basic stop, start, entry of messages, editing of messages, and any other setting required by the operator. The Ax350 has a rating of IP66 compared to the 150, which has 55. So this one can operate in watery environment, a lot of dust, so it's covered, no dust entry, and water. So it's for very harsh environment. This is the best machine. Simply, both machines run on the same iPulse head. The ink system and the ITM are the same, but what matters is the application. So the Ax350 required for fast, high speed, harsh environment. If you require different ink types, this machine for you. If you require just a basic print machine, fast, reliable, no complications, this is the best machine for you. Think of it this way. If your machine is standard line, this is a best machine for you. If it's demanding, this is a machine for you. And that is the Ax150, the Ax350.